How to find your user ID in QU MATIX. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily find your QU MATIX user ID from your QU MATIX account. First of all, launch open the QU MATIX application on your smartphone or your tablet and make sure that you're logged into your account before continuing. Once the app loads and you are logged in, go ahead and look for the account button at the bottom right corner from the home page. You'll then be able to see your user ID at the top of the screen. Your ID is a long string of number, which is usually 8 digits long. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of this page so that you can save your user ID on your device's camera roll. Your user ID may be needed for support requests, login verification, referrals, and account recovery. If you don't find the user ID immediately, try updating the QU MATIX app or restart the application and check again in the account section. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.